Hey, what's up, dear viewers of YouTube? My name is Mark and welcome back to my brand new channel. I know some of you might be curious as to why Bao Finance token is dropping in price, and if you want to know my opinion, then definitely stay tuned. Alright, as you can see, the price of Bao Finance token is collapsing and it's definitely not cool. Some of you might think that I'm happy about it, but I'm clearly not. I am actually holding some Bao tokens that are staked on the Bao Finance Unipool, and I also have some of my, and obviously I'm earning Bao tokens that are depreciating in price. One thing that I don't understand is why this number keeps going up. It was like $7,000 worth of Bao when the price was doubled from what it is today, and now the price collapsed, and it says that I have $12,000 in my locked Bao, which is here. Doesn't make any sense to me, but it is what it is. So I'm staking here, and I'm staking at this pool right here. I can never find this stake. And I'm staking my Bao, my XDAI and Ether here. So I obviously have an interest in Bao to go up, even though I don't have a lot of money invested in it. And I kind of knew it was coming, but again, I don't want you to worry about anything because I don't think it's a big deal. So let's go, in order for us to really do the research why it's happening, we'll go to the Twitter page. And the news that really, in my opinion, meant everything why the price of the token is gonna collapse is this. Bao has been listed on FTX with spot and perp markets. Some people love this because they thought, oh wow, we have another exchange, somewhat legit exchange, FTX, and Bao is gonna be traded there. But whenever coin is listed on the exchange where there is an opportunity to short the coin will drop in price. I don't care, especially something new like Bao. If you go to Bao Finance voting page, you can see who voted on different proposals, and click on any proposal you want. You're gonna see that there are whales that are holding 6 billion Bao, 5 billion Bao, 3.93 billion Bao. Maybe you are one of those whales that also sold and caused the market to tank. Obviously, you see that I don't have that kind of stack to drop the market, unfortunately. But it is sad that people are trying to manipulate the price and take advantage of the price going up so high. But again, if you look at technical analysis, and this is something that I do a lot, I used to day trade on BitMax, which is completely scammy and crappy site that really got me wrecked big time. They totally destroyed me. So let's look at the TA of Bao. Let's switch it to the 4-hour chart. It's easier to see things. So you can probably see that the price, you saw the news about Bao being listed on FTX came out on February 3rd. February 3rd. The news came out, and now let's draw simple fibs, just simple fib retracements to see how far can it go, how low can it drop. So okay, and if you draw your fibs from here, from when the coin really started to moon, we broke the key level, which is a golden pocket here. We kind of went below it, and we quickly went above it. But I drew my fibs differently when I first was doing this thing. What I did was I did not cover the wicks. I don't do the wicks when I do my fibs. I try to do the closings of the price. And if you look at how the price closed, on the 4-hour candle, you can see that the Bao perfectly hit the Fibonacci golden pocket here, and it's gonna shut back up. So I want to believe that this was the bottom. My hope is this was the bottom, but again, the volume of the candle is not too crazy, so we'll see. The time, we still have some time to see what's gonna happen here. We have a couple of hours left before we can definitely see if the volume will spike up and go above all of these red candles volume. If this volume will go up significantly and be higher than these, candles value, I think the coin already reached the bottom and we're gonna, moon back up as far as Bao goes. But it could mean it's a fake out. I don't know. Nobody really knows. Bao is a relatively new project, and you know that there are whales that are holding billions and billions of tokens who can easily trade them on FTX by shorting and at the same time drop the price, drop the token on Uniswap. I want to believe that Bao already has a large community. Look at the community of Bao. You have 11,700 people liking this project. Etherscan shows you that it has 13,000 addresses, and the number started to drop, which is a little bit worrying sign. That means people are closing or selling their Bao. I don't know. It's a little weird, but the fully diluted market cap of a project is $1.4 billion, which is huge for something like Bao, project that's been around for, I don't know, 2 weeks. When did it come out? The project launched in, it's actually a month. Project was launched about a month ago, but it had no value whatsoever at first. And it really started to pick up after Chico Crypto mentioned it on his channel, which was about mid-January, I think. That's when the project started to really pick up. I don't think there is anything to worry about, to be honest with you. It's just some whales playing games by manipulating the price on the spot market and on the perpetual swap contract, where they drop the price, where they drop the token on Uniswap or other sushi swap or whatever, and they also short the coin on FTX. So it's normal, and in my opinion, that's the reason why price collapsed. Any coin that has a possibility to be shorted will go down at some point, and then it'll go back up. So I believe that there's nothing to worry about. Again, it's just a game of whales that hold a lot of Bao, and they just wanted to make profit by doubling up on their Ethereum. Because again, this price that I showed you was a Bao Ether. This was against Ethereum. This is not against US dollar. So you can also think that Ethereum is going up as well. So this is not the best chart to look at if you are looking at your Bao against dollars. But I personally don't look at any Ethereum ERC20 tokens. I don't look at them against US dollar. I mostly am concerned with their price against Ethereum, because I personally buy them with Ethereum that I have. Anyway, so I gave you my opinion. I think the bleeding will stop at this point. I think this is it. We hit the bottom, and from this point on, we should be going up. Maybe at the worst case scenario, we might hit this price right here. It's actually I'm not a big time TA guy, but I do know TA. I did trade and I did study it. So maybe we'll hit this price right here, just kind of like a fake out, because people might think that we're going to be going to this level, but we won't. I believe that this was the bottom. Again, I could be wrong. It's very possible that I'm wrong, but I hope that I am right. And I wish we had a dollar chart, so we could have a better picture to see what's going on. And because Bao is traded on see, it's actually on FTX. It's also already started to go up big time. Let's look at the hourly volume. See, hourly volume was kind of decent here, because this was a wick. Wick didn't do much, and this was a nice spike. Yeah, I believe at least against US dollar value, it's the bottom. And if Ethereum will shoot up big time, then maybe against Ethereum will drop big also. So guys, let's see what happens. I'm not gonna be playing this wizard. We'll see what's gonna happen. And if you are a BAO token holder and you are a diehard fan that posted negative shit on my channel, think twice before going, balls deep in any project. There are other venues, there are other projects, and the smart thing to do in this bull market is to go into the project, make your money, sell half, invest that half into another project that gets launched or whatever, something that has an opportunity, and then make money. It's not the point of the game is not to buy one token that just gets launched and hold it for the rest of your life. The bear market will come, and the BAO price will drop, and you'll see this. And those of you that are experienced in this game will know what I'm talking about. Those that are just joined crypto because of DeFi hype in summer, you probably also know that things go up and things go down. It's normal. This is how markets work. No need to panic, but there's always a good idea to look at other projects. And when I mentioned projects like Bridge Mutual or this, I was getting a lot of hate. Let's see how this price. Oh, this is also dropping like shit. What about this? Oh, this is actually still going, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I bought it at $91. I wish I sold more. Alright guys, anyway, I just wanted to give you my personal opinion about why the BAO price is dropping. And again, main reason is it being listed on FTX. Also, don't forget the BAO price just skyrocketed over the past week, so it's normal for things to settle down when they go up big time. So in this case, I think it's totally normal for BAO price to kind of consolidate now in this range, and then it's gonna go back up and to the all-time high and beyond. This project is definitely something to look into for the near future. I believe more people will be getting into this protocol, and the idea behind this project is insane. I know the project is growing because it's no longer one guy show. Now he's hiring people, developers, people that know Solidity and stuff like that, somebody experienced. So by the way, if you know Solidity and if you know how to program, definitely check out the the Twitter page of Bao Finance. He actually posted some jobs for Solidity developers. Alright guys, be safe, be happy, be prosperous, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.